welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this week's grocery haul. I'm not sure if this will include meal prep necessarily or if it'll just jump into what eat in a day, but let me just show you what we got for the week. Then I'll try to show you what we end up making with it. So we went to Trader Joe's first. Actually, it was already unloading. We only got a couple things. We did get the everything but the bagel ciabattas. We love these for breakfast sandwiches on the weekend. I throw those straight into the freezer. They go bad really quickly, so just put them in the freezer. And then I just microwave them for like 30 seconds, and then I toast it, and it's perfect. We also got the frozen hash browns. We love those. We went there for the chicken sausage. Morgan loves their chicken sausage. We got the spicy jalapeno. He's gonna have that for breakfast with some eggs. We got 3 of those, and then I also grabbed their avocado spray. So that's everything we got from Trader Joe's. We spent, I think it was $22. Then we went to H-E-B, which is a Texas grocery store. We got 4 of the Faye Total Zero yogurts. We were gonna get the large one, but I only need a little bit. I'm gonna use this in my burrito bowls mixed with my little avocado packets. Really good. We're having burrito bowls for dinner this week, a couple nights. So I got it for that, and then Morgan's gonna try and see if he likes it plain with some fruit. Also, I got the Texas barbecue sliced pickles. I just have to do the fresh pickles these days, like the ones that come refrigerated. The ones in like the pickle aisle are grossing me out. I don't know why, because I love pickles. But anyways, got a pack of eggs for breakfast. We got a big block of cheese. Morgan has some burger patties that he's gonna have, so the cheese is for that. We did get a pack of 2, this is like filet. So 2 pieces of that. It came out to about £1. Morgan got some regular burger patties and then also some turkey burger patties. We might do these for dinner one night too, and I'm gonna do burger salad. So cook up the burger patty, put it over some butter, lettuce, do like maybe ranch and a little ketchup, pickles, tomatoes, just like burger toppings, really good. I got 2 of the Tyson blackened chicken strips. Really should probably get those at Costco, but I cannot go into Costco on the weekends. Like, no thank you. So we got 2 of those. This is in no particular order, if you can't tell. I did get 2 cans of black beans. These are gonna be for our burrito bowls. Love that. And then we also got some drink enhancers. So Morgan picked out the Mio Wicked Blue Citrus and the Black Cherry. This is really good in carbonated water also to flavor it. And then I got the Crystal Light Peach Mango Green Tea. This is just like, it's a guilty pleasure. Honestly, it's not even guilty, it's just good. So I got that one if I want something other than plain water. We did get a pack of bananas, or a bunch, I should say, for Morgan's breakfast. And then also Morgan's gonna have some fruit this week. So we got strawberry pineapple combo, and we're just gonna divvy that up into like 4 portions for him. Let's see. Some produce. I got butter lettuce for the burger salad. Honestly, I'll use almost this entire bag, if not the whole bag for that meal. I did get the large thing of shredded lettuce for my burrito bowls. This should get me at least 2, maybe 3 burrito bowls. I also got the tiny cucumbers. I have really been wanting to use the Trader Joe's Chili Onion Crunch. This, so good. I keep this in stock. We have multiple in the cabinet right now. Over some cottage cheese and like a little soy sauce. I feel like that'd be so good. I'm very into my cottage cheese snack right now. So I also stocked up on Roma tomatoes. My favorite thing, y'all have already seen it if you watch my channel, cottage cheese, diced Roma tomatoes, balsamic vinegar. And I might even do like cucumber and tomato, and I could do it with the chili onion crunch or the balsamic, switch it up with my cottage cheese. And I do already have cottage cheese on hand, so hopefully it's still good. And then I think the last thing that we got is just some shrimp. We got the like pre-made shrimp at H-E-B. Morgan's gonna take some for lunch the next 2 days. He got these cashew, or no, not cashew, Chesapeake style shrimp cocktail trays. So they're just like seasoned shrimp with some cocktail sauce in there. Really good macros on here. The whole tray is like 200 calories and like 30 33 grams of protein. So a couple of those for his lunches. And then also we just got a big one with just the cooked shrimp and the shrimp cocktail in the middle for like snacking. I think we're actually about to have some of this because we haven't had any. It's like 4 o'clock and we had breakfast and that's it. So I'm probably gonna get out some of those so that we can snack on that while we do the rest of our Sunday chores. But yeah, that is the grocery haul for the week. So let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the video. I'm about to make a snack. I just got home from work. I went to the work gym, did upper body, feeling really, really good. And I'm about to make, you already know, my go-to cottage cheese snack, but I'm gonna do it a little bit different today. Instead of tomato and balsamic, I'm going to do cucumber and sort of like an Asian vibe, hopefully. 30, okay. Hey, I'm gonna show them my snack.
What you making?
Okay, so I'm gonna chop up a couple of these little baby cucumbers, chili onion crunch, mix it with a little soy sauce, and then dump it on top of the cottage cheese. What do you think? He's gonna think it's disgusting.
I still think cottage cheese is nasty.
Yeah, that's okay.
But it sounds creative.
I feel like, I don't know. This might be weird. I'm not sure if it's gonna go with like the cottage cheese. But I'll try anything once.
Yeah, there you go.
So, let's see how it turns out. Little chili onion crunch. I'm just gonna clean my knife off and go right in. Just a little bit of the wheel. A little soy sauce for some saltiness. And there you have it. A beautiful after workout, post workout, pre-dinner snack. And this has 12 grams of protein. I thought we would just chat while I'm preparing dinner quickly. We're just gonna have the burrito bowls. I posted in my last video. We're obsessed with them. We've had them multiple times and we're having them multiple times this week as well. So I'm probably gonna use about half a bag of the Tyson blackened tenders. These are so good. I'll take about 3 for myself and Morgan will have like 5 or 6. Do one more. Okay. So I just air fry these at 390 for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're like sizzling. And I also will use just like our little meat thermometer. This thing's best thing I've ever purchased on Amazon and it was like $10 or something, super cheap. But I love just knowing that things are cooked. So we're gonna cook that up. I'm also gonna do a bag of the jasmine rice, just in the microwave, super simple. I'll use about half of a serving of this for my bowl. I'm also gonna bulk mine up with lettuce, tomatoes, salsa, and we're gonna do some black beans. Extra protein, great flavor. So that is the dinner plan tonight. But I guess I need to work and talk. I am taking March, so today's like February 19th, I think, and I have my best friend, one of my best friend's baby showers this weekend that I'm actually planning, and it's in Lubbock, so I'm driving up there on Thursday. We're gonna hang out. My other good friend, one of my other best friends really, has a birthday on Saturday, so I'll get to see her. I'm asking both of them to be bridesmaids in my wedding, so exciting things. And I'm just trying to feel good leading up to that trip. Getting in steps at work on my little work treadmill, and then also working out after work. I leave Thursday, so at least 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be my workout days. I did get in 30 minutes of walking at work, but I would really like to do 30 minutes before lunch and 30 minutes after. I just need to stop being lazy. And come March, or really starting Monday, this like a week from today, it's kind of starting today, but then I have the weekend, so it doesn't really count. Starting Monday, I've created a calendar that says morning walk, afternoon walk every work day. And I'm gonna highlight it as I get my steps in and as I do those 30-minute walks before and after lunch. Me and Morgan are amping up the protein, more protein. I need to eat lower calories. I need to do better with stopping when I'm full. I've been overeating and just making better choices. I do go out to lunch with my dad a couple times a week. I work with him. It's a perk. It's just one of those things that I'm not willing to let go of, but I can make better choices. So that's kind of my goals for March, and like starting, I guess it's like almost the last week of February next week. Getting in those steps, eating good, protein, and working out. And I'm just gonna like go really ham. I'll try to upload as much as I can. It all depends on life, you know. Sometimes it just gets busy planning a wedding. I've been planning this baby shower, so that's been taking up a good amount of like time. And even when it's not taking time, it's taking like brain power. So then I'm just tired and I don't want to sit and talk to a camera because I've been, you know, tired and planning and all of the things. And same with wedding stuff. Like, it's not like it's taking hours of my day every day. But sometimes I'm just like mentally drained from searching 500 things a day and quoting and all of the things. So that's kind of explains my lack of videos, but I'm trying to get better. I know I always say that, but it's literally true. I'm always trying to upload more, but sometimes life gets in the way, and I definitely don't want to sacrifice being a good friend or a good daughter or a good fiance in, you know, in lieu of uploading as many YouTube videos as I possibly can. You know, like, I'm going to enjoy life. I'm going to enjoy the normal things. We've had a lot of date nights this past weekend. We went out to like a 5-course dinner on Friday with some friends. It was super fun. Saturday we went to the rodeo and saw Brooks and Dunn, which is my favorite, and we had literally the best time. Sunday y'all saw our grocery haul, but we spent literally all of Sunday. We went like 4 different places. Then we just did laundry. So it's been busy around here, but definitely been fun. And Morgan's locking it down for March, and that's really gonna be, that's all we're focused on right now is March. I get back from Lubbock and we're just gonna really hit it hard, trying to hit it hard this week and just feel good going into a weekend that's probably gonna be filled with lots of good eats and maybe some mimosas. So I just kind of wanted to chat that out a little. I feel like it's been a while since we've just had a little FaceTime heart-to-heart moment, but that's where my head's at. I'm feeling good. Doing the workouts at work after work has been honestly a game changer as far as like mentally and how I feel about working out. I'm working out more consistently than I have in years. I love that it's easy to work out at work. It's kind of embarrassing that I like didn't do that for so many years when I've had the option. But also our work gym got a little revamped lately, which is fun. Has some new machines, which is nice. And I'm the only one that works out in the afternoon. So it's just really nice to be in there all alone. But I'm gonna go ahead and start this air fryer. I didn't want it, you know, blowing while I was having this conversation, but I'll show you my bowl once it's all said and done. A little bit of cheese. Trying to make this look cute. I'm gonna do that too.
So good, baby.
All right, this is my final bowl. Looks so good. I'm about to stir it up and it's not gonna look very cute, but it's gonna be so delicious.